Hey there, ever felt like traditional affirmations just aren't cutting it? Repeating, I am successful, I am wealthy, I am fit, but not feeling it? Let's dive into something that might just flip the script for you. So I stumbled upon this concept called lofty questions. Instead of stating affirmations, you ask yourself empowering questions like, why do amazing opportunities always find me? It's like tricking your brain into seeking positive answers. And trust me, it works wonders. All right, let's get into three secrets using lofty questions to transform your life. Secret one, crafting lofty, powerful questions. Not all questions are created equal. Focus on positive outcomes. Instead of asking, why am I so lucky? Reframe it to, why do amazing opportunities always find me? Tie the questions to your identity, like, why do I love taking care of my body every day? Be open ended and curious with your question. Secret two, the science behind rewiring our brains is that our brains are wired to answer questions. When you ask positive questions, your brain's reticular activating system kicks in, seeking answers that align with that positivity. This process can rewire your thought patterns over time, leading to sustainable behavior changes. Secret three, integrating lofty question. Make it a habit. Start your day by journaling lofty questions related to your goals. Throughout the day, whenever negative thoughts creep in, encounter them with lofty questions. Over time, this practice becomes second nature, guiding you towards your desired outcomes. So the next time you're about to be chanting affirmations, change them into lofty questions. You might just find it more effective and transformative. If you found this insightful and helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on transforming your life. Catch you in the next video.